Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have October's Triple D Diva box, and so I'm just unboxing the items. I've already done swatch dots on the dip powders. I know I'm late, but I got to this box a little late. It came with a buffing block with Triple D's logo and cuticle oil pen, pumpkin picking, which was perfect for October. But again, I did this mani in January. Came with another mermaid juice. This is mermaid juice 4, which is a liquid chrome. And then it came with some 5D nail stickers, an actual little cuticle, I guess that's a little pusher thing with the little foul pads on there. You can get around your cuticle area when you're doing your nail prep. And then it came with a cute little spoon as well, so you can scoop up your powder if you wanted to and apply it to your nail. And so I'm sorry my video is a little hazy. I don't know why there's a haze on my video, but I couldn't get the play with the video editing to clear that up. And so it came with these 5D kind of embossed nail stickers, and I didn't realize they had color to them. So those are kind of like a little pattern, and these are floral. I did not use these in this particular in this specific mani, but I do plan on using those at some point in the future. And so it came with the box came with 4 colors that are exclusive to the Diva box. And actually, I don't think I got November, December's, or January's Diva box. I might be lying, but I don't think I did. I think I forgot about them. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I don't remember. But this is Diva Dip 105, kind of like a mauve. These are all shades of pink. Diva Dip 106, which is kind of, to me, a salmon pink. That's what I get, a salmon pink. Now, I couldn't tell the difference between Diva Dip 106 and versus Diva Dip 107. I thought they looked the same. I'm pretty sure they're slightly different, but they look the same. And this is Diva Dip 108, a really pretty color as well. So we're going to go ahead and get into this dip powder application. And so I am using Triple D's odorless dip base and odorless activator. I don't know if they're sold separately versus sold in a set, but usually when I have odorless liquids, I just wear a face mask. If they're regular dip liquids, I have to wear a respirator or I will develop dip flu. So I'm just doing 3 nails on camera, 2 coats of color on each nail, brushing off the excess dip powder before I apply the second coat. And also with the second coat, I am going to wipe my base brush off on the paper towel there to the right, so that to avoid contaminating my dip base, or try to avoid contaminating my dip base with dip powder. So after that second coat of dip powder on all nails, they look a little waxy, but that's okay because the activator will bring everything or tie everything together. So I'm applying a generous amount of activator to all 5 nails, and then I wait about 5 minutes, and then I will, because the activator will harden or cure the dip powder, and then I will do my filing and buffing off camera. So these are my nails after filing and buffing. I'm going in with Valentine Plaid from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Decals. And these are, of course, some plaid decals. They're on blue paper, which means you can put them on top of any color. You don't have to have the white background. And so I cut out just one decal because that's all I'm going to use. And I spray that with water. Well, while I'm waiting for the decal to be released from the paper, I'm going in with some gel base coat. I think this is Nail Reserve's gel base coat. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Once my nails have cured, or that one nail has cured in the lamp, I'm going to remove excess water from the decal, and then I will remove that from the paper and just apply that to the nail. And what I found, because I had to finagle with this a little bit, when you use gel base or whatever you're dealing with decals, they don't stick the way you want them to stick right away. I think you have to kind of let it dry a little bit, and then you're able to manipulate it more. And so I was like, I gotta get these wrinkles out of here. And so I found that using both hands helped to smooth the decal out. And I'm just cutting off excess because there's no need to have the excess if the nail isn't that long, because I did file my nails down. And so I'm just finagling with that. It took me a minute. It really did. So after finagling with that decal, I did apply a base coat on top of that decal and cured, and then I'm going in and applying Nail Reserve's No Wipe top coat to all nails and curing in my LED lamp. So here are my nails after curing, nice and shiny. I'm going in with the cuticle oil that came in the Diva box. Again, it's a heavy scent. It's a fall scent. And so guys, if you like this video, and I'm just priming it, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.